Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by granting the app its essentials, camera, mic, and storage, so recordings save reliably. Once permissions are granted, pick a resolution and frame rate. Choose 1080p at 30 fps for balance or 720p at 60 fps for smooth motion. Then create or open a project and tap New Record to start the capture workflow. Speak clearly into the mic and frame your shot. This first step ensures your raw footage has the right settings before you move on. Once recording starts, control is everything. You can switch to manual focus and exposure, adjust until the subject looks natural, then lock those settings to prevent shifts. Monitor audio meters continuously. Make sure peaks stay below -6 dB to avoid distortion. If highlights clip, reduce ISO or enable an ND filter if available. Also use on-screen guides or a histogram to maintain good composition and stable exposure. These adjustments keep your footage clean and usable for editing. When you finish, stop the recording and immediately play back a short segment to verify audio sync and exposure. If all looks good, save the clip and export using your desired codec and bitrate. Choose H.264 for compatibility or HEVC for smaller file size. Make sure files are written to the correct folder. If the app crashes or export fails, clear the app cache and restart the device. That fixes most temporary issues. If problems persist, free up storage space and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.